Alright, what is up, you lovely humans, or Homo sapiens if you prefer the scientific term. But today we're doing something a little bit different, guys. It's snowing here, and today's video is going to be a bit like a vlog. I do love me a good vlog, guys. So this morning I started my day off. I thought that it was quite fitting to go to a coffee shop today while it snows. So I got some hot chocolate. My palate is not that complex. I don't go for coffee. Whoa, who would have thought that hot chocolate's going to be that hot, though? But we're doing pretty good, guys. Had a pretty interesting day today. Like, guys, it's pretty insane, like, how the driving is going today. People are driving, like, so tame today. Like, everybody usually here drives super recklessly, but look at that guy. It's like 30 miles an hour less than what I usually see here. Super insane. And, like, everybody's got their hazards on. I grew up in Hebron, Illinois, up north a little bit, so we're pretty used to this snowy weather. I am walking the wrong way, though. So I am pretty used to the snowy weather, so I know exactly how to navigate a little bit more than the people that grew up here. Because this is where are we? I think we're in the southwestern part of the states, guys. It like never snows here at all. I think that's where we are, somewhere in the west. So that's what we're doing, guys. So I got my hot chocolate here. We're gonna see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm wearing just regular old shoes and socks with a t-shirt over a jacket, or with a jacket over a t-shirt. So am I freezing? Yes. But am I doing it for you guys? Of course, because I love you guys and I love the snow. And I thought that I'd document it because we never get snow like this. If we do, if anything, it's always like up on the mountains, which you can't even see right now because it's like that great of a snow day today. Like, guys, I had to clean snow off car to get here. Like, that's insane. I never have to do that. As you can tell, I don't do this very often. I would love to, though. I know some people out there probably like, no, you don't. And I actually do want to say, I wish I got to do that more often. I know a lot of people would be like, no, you don't. But, guys, I was living life doing that. I thoroughly enjoyed cleaning snow off. And it was my first time doing it. I used to do it. Obviously, I didn't drive cars back when I lived in Hebron because I was like 9 when we moved out. But I did clean up the snow off the cars to help my parents out a little bit, and that was really fun. Dog's here somewhere. My sister's here with the dog, but she's a bit camera shy or something. She doesn't like to be on the tube. So let's see what she's up to. See if we can find Storm. You guys have met Storm, I think, in a Corvette video. Jeez, where is Storm? Storm, where are you? Oh, there he is. Check him out. Oh my gosh, what is he wearing?
He's wearing a hat.
It took cover his ears?
Yeah.
Storm's wearing a hat, guys. It's my first time seeing that.
Aww.
He's just pouncing around, guys.
He is. If he like stomps in the snow, if you run, watch. Let me see. Storm, come on.
It's a cute little feller. Guys, it's cute. Whoa. I about dyed my hair white right there, guys. I'm gonna set this down over here. Hopefully no one takes my hot cocoa. I love that cocoa. Well, we're gonna see what kind of shenanigans we can get into today, guys. We're starting shenanigans off pretty light today with just the dog playing around in the snow. But we are going to be doing a couple more things later today, I'm hoping for. So we'll see as we go on. I did want to bring out one of the V8s today. I was thinking of the Camaro or something, but it's not a very smart idea, especially with the other drivers here that aren't as experienced in the snow, because some of them, they'll get too close to you or they'll brake too late and they'll start sliding. I actually saw it on my way over here. This one guy got really close. So things like that happen, and I don't really think it's a good idea to bring out the sports cars, muscle cars, especially seeing firsthand what can happen to them in these type of conditions. So we do have a V8. It's not a sports car, but it is a V8. You guys haven't seen this one in a while. The rebuild for this car wasn't done on this YouTube channel. We actually ended up just picking it up and putting that video on this YouTube channel, but then like the rebuild progress and pictures and videos of it, I posted them on a highlight on Instagram. Let's go ahead and do a cold start on that truck and see what kind of stuff we can do with that. Ooh, clean the snow off. We don't want this thing overheating. Breathe, Expedition, breathe. Wow. Some patch of snow right there. Thank goodness for four-wheel drive, am I right? When you come out in snowy conditions like this, which you shouldn't at all, by the way. But if you are dumb enough like me to get out of the house to get a cup of joe or hot cocoa, then make sure that you're in a car that is safe, and make sure you don't hit too busy areas where there's a lot of people, because you just want to be safe, you know. On a day like this, you never know. But we're gonna do everything but that today. We're gonna take the truck out, epic V8 truck, and we're going to be driving, doing some snow donuts. That's the whole thing. I want to do some snow donuts. Make sure to brake early though. If you guys are in a snowy condition, if you're not used to it, brake early. It'll and brake light. Early but light. It'll help with the sliding. You won't slide. I haven't slid. I learn, I guess. You learn as you go. Falling again. This is an incredible distraction while driving though, but just drive slow, I guess. I'm sacrificing some safety for you guys. Oh look, there's a car right here. Sweet. Let's start that V8. Oh, I just slipped. I want to do some shenanigans now, where it's safe and legal. At least I hope it's legal. Alright guys, we're back home now. Hey Neon.
Hello.
Alright, we're gonna need this for later today. It's my snowboard. I don't even know how this got in here. Can you help me get the straps for the snowboard?
Yes.
And I'm not talking about seat belts. I'm talking about these. Cold start. Let's go! Woo! Dude!
That was so fun! Dude, you hear that pop?
Dude, what?
Wait, hold on, I gotta do that again.
Alright, I've never done this before. Hopefully it comes out good, and hopefully it all goes well, but I've always wanted to do this. Don't get many chances here to do it. And I also been meaning to get a haircut. So if my thick wavy locks start frolicking about in the wind, don't mind it. I know I've been needing to cut them. Guess we have all this extra. I'm ready. Let's do this. I feel like this is one of the stupidest things I've ever done. Holy snap, it's working. This is insane. Oh my god. You're spraying me. This is actually a lot harder than it looks.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it now, I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen him down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. Chatting numbers, fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place. They get some money and they blow it on bait. I don't flex but I'm pushing all the weight. Told them all I swear I got it's what it takes. Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it now, I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late.
Alright guys, well that about does it for this video. It was a bit of a different style than usual. I wanted to do a vlog today because we got a crazy snow day here. We rarely get these things. So I wanted to do that. Had some fun stuff, did some shenanigans, and overall we didn't get in trouble with the police, so maybe everything was legal. So we got it all done, guys. If you guys like the style of video, leave it down in the comments below and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll try to make more for you guys because this was really fun. If you haven't already, like the video while you're at it, there's a shiny red subscribe button that you should click, and check out the Instagram channel below. I'll have that link down there too. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. I'm doing a peace sign under these mitts. It's peace. And just so you guys can be part of the fun, snowball fight.